Watermelon, a delightful fruit that quenches our thirst and refreshes us on scorching summer days. But did you know that behind its juicy sweetness lies a rich history and a multitude of health benefits? Today, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of watermelon. The story of watermelon begins in ancient Africa many years ago. It is believed to have been cultivated in the Nile Valley, where the hot and arid climate made it a prized source of hydration for the Egyptians. Watermelons held such significance that they were often placed in tombs, ensuring nourishment for the afterlife. Over time, watermelons made their way to other parts of the world, carried by traders and explorers. European colonists introduced watermelons to the Americas, where they thrived in the fertile soil. Today, this beloved fruit is grown in various countries across the globe, enchanting taste buds everywhere. Watermelon's appeal lies not only in its history but also in its versatility. You can enjoy it as a refreshing snack, blend it into smoothies, or even grill it for a unique twist. Its succulent taste aside, watermelon is packed with numerous nutrients that contribute to our well-being. Firstly, watermelon is remarkably low in calories while boasting a high water content, making it an ideal choice for those aiming to lose weight or maintain hydration. Additionally, it is an excellent source of vitamin C, a vital nutrient that strengthens our immune system, helping us ward off infections and diseases. Yet, one of watermelon's most notable health benefits lies in its potential to improve heart health. It contains a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which studies have shown can help lower the risk of heart disease. Moreover, watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid known to enhance blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support overall cardiovascular function. Furthermore, watermelon possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. It contains compounds that can help alleviate inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer. So, the next time you indulge in a juicy watermelon slice, remember that you're not only treating yourself to a delectable delight but also nourishing your body in numerous ways. From its ancient roots in Africa to its global popularity today, watermelon continues to captivate us with its rich history and impressive health benefits. So, make sure to embrace this delightful fruit and let it invigorate you with its juicy goodness. Stay refreshed, stay healthy with watermelon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.